In calculus, a one-sided limit is either of the two limits of a function f of a real variable x as x approaches a specified point either from below or from above. One should write either or for the limit as x decreases in value approaching a, and similarly or for the limit as x increases in value approaching a. The two one-sided limits exist and are equal if the limit of f as x approaches or exists. In some cases in which the limit does not exist, the two one-sided limits nonetheless exist. Consequently, the limit as x approaches a is sometimes called a two-sided limit. In some cases one of the two one-sided limits exists and the other does not, and in some cases neither exists. The right-sided limit can be rigorously defined as. Similarly, the left-sided limit can be rigorously defined as where represents some interval that is within the domain of examples. One example of a function with different one-sided limits is the following. Whereas relation to topological definition of limit, the one-sided limit to a point P corresponds to the general definition of limit, with the domain of the function restricted to one side, by either allowing that the function domain is a subset of the topological space, or by considering a one-sided subspace, including P. Alternatively, one may consider the domain with a half-open interval topology. Abel's theorem. A noteworthy theorem treating one-sided limits of certain power series at the boundaries of their intervals of convergence is Abel's theorem.